Combining AI tools for creative workflows is where the true power of generative technology shines. Instead of relying on a single AI tool for one purpose, you can connect multiple platforms, text, image, video, and audio, to build complete, efficient, and imaginative projects. This approach turns AI from a helper into a full creative collaborator. Let's start with the idea of a creative workflow. A workflow is simply the step-by-step process you follow to go from idea to finished result. For example, if you're making an online course, your workflow might include writing a script, generating visuals, recording narration, editing video, and publishing. With AI, each of those steps can be supported or automated by a specialized tool. Here's an example of a full AI-powered workflow. You begin with ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas or outline your project. Then you refine your script using the AI's writing suggestions until it matches your tone and message. Next, you can use an image generator like DALL-E, Midjourney, or Leonardo AI to create illustrations or thumbnails that match your script's theme. Once your visuals are ready, you move into the video creation phase. Tools like Runway, Pika, or Descript can bring your ideas to life as moving visuals with narration and transitions. Descript, for example, lets you turn your script into a complete narrated video using AI voices, avatars, and automatically matched visuals. If you want to enhance the storytelling experience, you can incorporate voice AI tools such as 11 Labs to generate natural-sounding narrations in different accents, emotions, or speaking styles. You can even clone your own voice to make your content sound more personal and authentic. For music and sound design, platforms like SoundRaw and AIVA can generate background music tailored to mood and pacing, perfect for videos, ads, or educational content. You can simply describe the feeling you want, like uplifting background music with piano and soft percussion, and let the AI compose it for you. Then comes the editing and polishing stage. Descript, for example, allows you to edit by simply modifying text. You can cut filler words, correct pronunciation, or adjust pacing automatically. This makes post-production faster, even for creators with no technical experience. Once everything is ready, you can use AI-driven tools like Canva Magic Studio or Adobe Firefly to finalize branding, create thumbnails, or repurpose your video into social media clips. These tools can resize, reformat, and even rewrite captions automatically, helping you publish across multiple platforms effortlessly. The real magic happens when you connect these tools into a single creative flow. For example, ChatGPT for script writing, Midjourney for visuals, 11 Labs for voiceover, and Descript for final video assembly. Each tool handles what it does best, and when combined, the workflow becomes faster, more creative, and much more scalable. This approach is not limited to professionals. Educators can combine tools to create engaging lessons. Marketers can produce entire campaigns in days instead of weeks. And content creators can maintain consistent quality across platforms with minimal effort. To make the most of these workflows, focus on 3 key principles: clarity, iteration, and integration. Start with a clear creative goal, refine each stage using AI feedback, and integrate your tools so that outputs from one stage flow seamlessly into the next. In the end, combining AI tools for creative workflows is about building a digital ecosystem around your imagination. Each tool becomes a creative extension of your mind, writing, illustrating, voicing, and producing alongside you. When used together, they transform the way you create, turning ideas into complete, polished, and professional results faster than ever before.